Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you an amazing project which is Facebook interface as I have created using only HTML and CSS, no JS, no any other programming language. So now let's start, have a site over the coding that how properties, how functionality and main concept of the text elements are working here. So I have a site over the code. Here is you can see the main structure of this index file, and now you can see other properties like divs, nav, and other properties like other elements like an order list or order list, which all are included within just one body. And every div has their own functionality, means every div possesses their own classes on the name of container, main content, history, reels or other. And I have created another type of the divs like for the stories, reels, create history and other text. So for these all the things, means if you are looking for the in real Facebook stories, real Facebook or Instagram or any other software, so you can find here in this code that we can make it an amazing or the reality as a real design. You can see and you can imagine that how this is an amazing and this is an real design, but that's because of that is the market and the miracle. Another div you can see here is on the name of which has author post class as Nadia Abbas, which is the owner of this channel as Computer World as well. So you can also add here another names like channels author or who have created this type of the design or Instagram design or any other design. Means if someone who are creating, designing, developing any software, so you can also keep their own name. And afterwards there is also reactions like comments, shares. I have also added these type of the icons to attract this design, and this design is amazing. It's an amazing for me, and I hope this would be amazing for you as well. And afterwards you can see contacts. Genesis means in the content as your friends or other family members are also your followers, are also your friends. So I have also created a sidebar, mid bar, or what you can say that there is a right bar, left bar. These all the sidebars means in which I have created their friends, relatives, all who follow you, and their images will be also available as front of these type of the stories. And now you can see this is CSS file as universal selector I have used, and after body navbar, which have every selector have their own properties. And now you can see another class selector which is left navbar, left navbar order list, left navbar image. Is this formatting will apply only on that image which is included under the power or under the position of the left navbar, is which has different type of these properties like width, height and logo. Here is also concept of logo which has different properties as well, position, top, left, and div search as I have also created a search bar. So and other things you can see gray placeholder means here is these all these selectors are included with or affiliated with the search bar. And mid bar have different properties: background property, display, align items, margin left, and other. You can see the games, watch, middle images, right navbar which has position relatives, margin left as 250px, right nav unordered list, right nav image, and message which has property, position, relative, message, and after means if there is a message but it will be after. And now here is another class selector which is container, which has property, display or justify content, padding or syntax, which has -1. and here is the menu image, and afterward you can see menu hover, means if there will be menu, so you can, if you will hover a icon, hover with the circles or anything, means it will change its name or color or the size, or with the different values it will change its complete interface. Right sidebar, here all class selectors are showing the data as selectors, cuts or values which will apply on the right sidebar. And here is another class selector, list friends, means here is the or another category of the friends, means these all the properties that will apply settings over the friends. List friends, another. Here is another class selector, buttons, which has different properties like heights, display, justify content, align items, and box shadow. Box shadow, which is an amazing property, is I love too much. Another property like buttons as button with the paragraph, margin left property. And now another class selector is story gallery, which has different properties: display, justify content, margin bottom, margin left, margin right. These all are the same. And story, which has different properties as well. And story 1, story 2, story 3, 4, and 5, which has the same properties like background image. Another thing is story image, which has different properties: position with border radius, top left, and border radius. Paragraph, post, and HR. Post HR means horizontal post, as border top, border left, border height. Text, which has display property, align items property, and text to input. Now it will apply on the input. Text to image. These all three properties will apply on the image as width, border radius, margin. Here you can see another class selector, which has another property like hover, which is completely applied on the background of that image. And here is another property like HR as horizontal, and another class selector which is publication, which has different properties like background, border radius, margin bottom, and these all properties have different values. Here is another class selector which is affiliated with the Spentec, which is an amazing element, all completely used with the CSS or with the HTML. You can use with both languages. And here is the reaction pane, like icons, love icons, and any other icons, as well as comments. You will also comment, share, or any other icons. Icons are also included. You can also save as complete icons file. So this is the complete code of Facebook interface project. So if you like this project, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, along with like, comment, and share with your friends, relatives, and other who are interested in web designing.